Hi everyone, this is Aditi Singh और today's video is gonna be about my morning skincare routine. Morning में इतना ज़्यादा time तो नहीं होता है to follow a lot of steps क्योंकि बाद में sometimes we also put makeup on and etc. But my morning skincare routine is quite simple, basic, and usually my even night skincare routine is also very basic, how much is required. So without any further ado, we are going to be starting with the video because it's almost like 2 months I believe मैंने कोई video post नहीं किया है. So let's just start with our skincare routine, and without going with the actual skincare, I would like to give you this very important step. I know you guys have heard this a million of times, but I feel a quiet reminder will be a good idea. So drinking a lot of water is actually very important for your skin. मैं उतना ज़्यादा तो पानी नहीं पी पाती, especially when I'm in college, but I'll try to do it as much as possible. And now let's move on with the skincare. So the first step is actually to tie your hair back so that you don't mess up with your skincare actually. Okay, fine, looking pretty too. Anyways, so कल रात को मेरे पास उतना टाइम नहीं था and I was also feeling very tired और मेरे फेस पे थोड़ा सा मेकअप है, I guess a little bit of blush here and there. So to remove that, I actually use some sort of cold cream because I feel this works really good for my skin. My skin is like a little bit combination dry, and since the weather is also changing, I feel a lot more dry patches here and around my nose area. So I'm going to be using this Mamaearth ka cold cream. So I have taken this much of the cold cream and now I'm just going to massage this on my face. And I feel sometimes cold cream actually works more better than the cleansing balm for my skin type. Because मैं इतना ज़्यादा heavy makeup नहीं carry करती हूँ, and if I'm doing heavy makeup, तो on those days I use micellar water Garnier का, that works absolutely fine for me. और उसके बाद I follow up with the same steps. Now let's just wash this off. Okay. So for the face wash, अभी मेरे पास ज़्यादा कुछ options available नहीं है, but I ended up finding this in my drawer, Lakme का. This works pretty good for me. ये almost खत्म ही होने वाला है. So I'm gonna be using some of this. Oh, I forgot my towel. Wait. Okay, so now we're just gonna pat our face dry. A little bit, not a lot. Okay, so after drying my face, I like to use some sort of toner, mist, or anything because I feel if you apply a moisturizer on your damp skin, it really absorbs very well on your skin. So currently I'm using this particular toner from Nude. It's really nice. It gives you that glass skin feeling, and it's also a little bit clarifying at the same time. So I really like this one. I'm really enjoying it currently. So yeah. One thing about this toner, if it gets into your mouth, I feel, ow, yeah, perfect. So one thing about this toner, if it gets into your mouth, it really tastes better. It's not a good taste. I would definitely know that any of you guys will not enjoy the taste of it. So please try to keep your mouth closed while you are spraying this on your face. So I let this sit on my face for like 10 seconds or so. Up next, right after my toner, I would like to moisturize my face, and currently I'm loving this one by Minimalist. It's their moisturizer with oat extract, squalene and amino acids, and it's really nice. So I've taken this much of the moisturizer and I would like to gently rub it on my face, especially focusing on my under eye area because I feel that is the part which gets more dry in this season. And don't forget your neck, that is also very important. whatever sort of skincare you are using, try to drag it down to your neckline also, and if there is some leftover, put it on the back of your hands. That's also really nice. Okay, up next, my I feel हर लड़की का ये favorite step है. No matter if you are doing a skincare routine, if you are just going out, I feel the lip balm. This is something हर लड़की के बैग में, डेस्क पे, टेबल पे, वॉशरूम में, we all have some sort of lip balm here and there roaming around with us. So I am obsessed with these two lip balms these days a lot. They are my favorite. They are so buttery, so glossy. They hydrate your lips and they also repairs the lip. That's the best part because my lips are so dry. So one is from Hyphen by Kriti Senan. I am really enjoying this. I have the vanilla one. It's really nice, really amazing. It's also work as a gloss, but it really repairs the lips. And it's really not that sticky at all. I have seen many reviews. People have said that it's really sticky and etc etc. I'm sorry, but I cannot find it sticky at all. It's really good. It's really comfortable to wear. And the another one I'm really loving is from Vaseline, their lip therapy one. It's the rosy lips. This really gives a very sheer tint. You will not be able to see it though, but it's really nice, really buttery, and it also repairs your lips. And that's all I need in a lip balm. So yeah, today I'm going to be using this Hyphen one. And the taste of this lip balm is also really nice. It's really sweet and really like caramel. And the fragrance. So this is it with my skincare basically. I'm not going to be putting any sunscreen right now because मैं घर पे ही रहने वाली हूँ, मेरे curtains बंद रहने वाले हैं and I'm most probably going to be having a power nap right now. लेकिन अगर मैं बाहर जा रही हूँ, I definitely put on lots of sunscreen. मैं Conscious Chemist, Be Minimalist या फिर Episoft का sunscreen use करती हूँ. I will link them down below in the description box if you guys want to check that out. And और बाकी के भी सारे products मैं link कर दूँगी so that it's easier for you guys to opt for them. So yeah, this is it for my skincare routine in the morning time. I feel this is very simple, very minimal. Everybody can follow this and this really works for my skin type. So I really enjoyed doing it with you guys. I hope you like my video. If you do so, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more such content. I hope to see you again. Bye bye.